The Bearcat is an excellent automatic wood-burning furnace designed to heat your entire home, business, or shop building. This furnace can also be used as an add-on unit. Use your existing furnace as your backup heating unit. The combustion air enters the firebox by the combustion air blower mounted on the loading door. The cold air from your home enters the rear of the furnace, and hot air blows out the top of the furnace. A fraction of the wood consumed by other wood-burning furnaces. No wood splitting required. It accepts 10-inch diameter wood. The firebox is 24 inches long, firebrick lined, and is made out of thick steel plates. Included with the Bearcat furnace is the combustion air blower on the front of the furnace and a half horsepower blower to circulate the hot air through your home. Optional items are the domestic hot water coil, the wood fork, or the power outage package, which includes the automatic air intake and the safety heat dump. Included with your Charmaster wood furnace is a domestic hot water heating coil. You and your family would be benefiting from free domestic hot water all winter long. The power outage package will keep you warm during a power outage by converting your forced air heat furnace into a gravity heat furnace with the use of the automatic air intake and the safety heat dump. We have the best warranty in the business at 20 years on our forced air fireboxes, and our furnaces are made right here in the USA. Charmaster is one of the original manufacturers of wood central heating systems. We began producing the Charmaster wood furnace in 1972 at our plant in Grand Rapids, Minnesota. Our name, Charmaster, comes from the word charcoal. A Charmaster furnace is a master at producing charcoal. The Charmaster is the only wood-burning furnace which will convert your wood into a glowing bed of charcoal. A Charmaster will produce heat for your entire home far superior to any other wood furnace. Charmaster knows quality. We strive to build long-lasting durability into every Charmaster furnace. Our furnaces are manufactured with the highest quality components available in the heating industry today. Please go to our website to see the many other models of wood furnaces we have available at www.charmaster.com. Thank you for watching.